Hey there! Thanks for tuning into my buyer's workshop. My name is Savannah Tessner and I'm a licensed Florida realtor servicing the greater Tampa area and parts of Central Florida. If you're looking to get in touch, schedule a consult at savannahtessner.com, linked up here.
Be strong.
Here's our checklist overview of what my buyer's workshop will cover. This video will be focused on escrow deposits and how they are used in a real estate transaction. Let's get started. What is an escrow deposit? An escrow deposit is a sum of money that is held in a special account by a neutral third party, typically the title company, until certain conditions are met. The purpose of an escrow deposit is to provide a secure and impartial way for parties to facilitate a transaction to exchange money for goods or services. When is escrow due? Typically within 3 days of the contract being executed. The amount is usually a minimum of 1.5%. This is not an amount that is written in stone, but in today's active real estate market, most buyers will use this amount. You may put more down in escrow to show how interested you are in the property. Where does my escrow go? The money will be held in a non-interest bearing account by the title company. If the sale goes through, the escrow deposit will be applied to the buyer's closing costs. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope you found some helpful answers in this video. Whether you're looking to buy, sell, or just have questions about real estate, I'm here to offer my support. Let's chat about your real estate goals and how I can help you achieve them. Simply click the link to schedule a consultation on my website at savannahtessner.com, and let's get started.